Hello again and welcome to this week's video tutorial on Midgame tactics. This would be another example of the tactic of directly dislodging enemy material for various gains. A quick analysis of this board would show that red would have one cannon, one horse, one chariot. Black would have one extra major piece with two cannons, one horse, one chariot, and also the slight pawn advantage. Both colors would have a full guard. It would be red's turn to move. So how can red attempt to turn back the tables and gain back lost material? So this would be the biggest issue. Now, as can be seen, this would be a trade. The first move for red would be to play h7 plus 5. Red would trade material. Now, red will continue with r8 plus 3 to try to dislodge the black horse. And because of the red pawn over here, black cannot retreat his horse h5 minus 4 or h5 minus 6. Neither can it retreat to h5 minus 7 or h5 minus 3 because these two intersections are guarded by the elephant. So in the book, h5 plus 7 was given. Now h5 minus 3 would not be possible either because again, red would use the tactic of dislodging material and attempt to capture the black horse. If the horse moved, let's say for example, red would play a check and gain even more important material like the black chariot. So h5 plus 3 is not a viable move. So let's say h5 plus 7 were played. Now red will continue to make use of the tactic of dislodging material by playing c9 minus 2. Now this would threaten to capture the black chariot. Black would be forced to retreat or move his cannon, attempting to become a trade of material, but red would have none of it and play c9 minus 5 to threaten the black horse. This would be in effect a double attack on these two pieces. So red would now have even the material deficit, and this would become a drawish game, and red will be able to save himself. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video. If you like the work that I've been doing, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.